Thanks to Keith at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN Shocks and Struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. Today, we will be replacing a set of rear shocks on the 2006 Dodge Dakota rear-wheel drive. This set also fits the 2005 through 2010 Dodge Dakota four-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, a 2006 through 2009 Mitsubishi Raider four-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, and 2001 Ram Dakota, all models. We recommend using SENSEN when replacing your worn-out shocks and struts. SENSEN Shocks and Struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include an 18mm socket and wrench. You will also need a hammer.
Rear shock with an 18mm socket and an 18mm wrench. Take it up just a little bit to take the clay out of it. Releases your shock. $18mm wrench at the socket at the top. I gotta let the truck down so I can start. There we go. How you like that? Use your same two wrenches you took it off with. And install that. You come here and tighten the top.
This concludes our rear complete strut assemblies installation on the 2006 Dodge Dakota rear-wheel drive. Be sure to look for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.